Introducing the HiBREW H1B Coffee Machine, your perfect coffee companion. First, open the handle and insert the Dolce Gusto capsule adapter. We're using Dolce Gusto milk and coffee capsules for this demonstration. Press the power button to turn on the machine and begin preheating. Adjust the water level according to the capsule's recommendations. Press the extraction key to extract hot milk. Once the extraction is complete, replace the milk capsule with the coffee capsule. Adjust the corresponding water level and press the extraction button to extract the coffee. Enjoy your delicious coffee latte with the HiBREW H1B Coffee Machine.